Using AI can feel powerful until it only works inside your browser. That's the exact problem Triplo AI solves. Instead of living in Chrome or one specific app, Triplo AI runs inside any app, on any device. One-hotkey, instant AI help, no plugins, no integrations. Let's break down whether this AppSumo lifetime deal is actually worth it. Triplo AI is a universal AI assistant that works across Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, Chromebooks. You can trigger it inside any app using a keyboard shortcut. Highlight text, press a hotkey, and get AI help right where you're working. No tab switching, no browser juggling. AI inside any app. This is the big one. Triplo AI works in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, Notion, email clients, design tools, coding editors. If you can type there, Triplo AI can help there. 300 plus smart prompts, or create your own. You get access to writing prompts, rewriting and editing commands, translation prompts, productivity shortcuts. You can also create custom prompts that match your tone, style, or workflow. This is perfect if you write content daily, reply to emails repeatedly, use the same AI commands over and over. One hotkey is instant AI. Highlight text, press one hotkey, done. You can rewrite content, improve clarity, summarize text, translate languages, generate new content, all without leaving your current screen. Use local AI models. Huge privacy win. Triplo AI supports local LLMs using Ollama LM Studio. This means your data stays on your device, no third-party storage, full control over sensitive information, perfect for developers, agencies, or anyone handling private data. Personal knowledge bases, minds. You can train Triplo AI using documents, notes, URLs. This allows context-aware answers instead of generic AI responses. Great for brand voice, client projects, research-heavy work, web and YouTube scraping. Triplo AI can scrape websites, summarize YouTube videos, repurpose content quickly, huge time saver for marketers and content creators. Triplo AI is ideal for solopreneurs, small business owners, content writers, marketers, developers, anyone tired of switching tabs to use AI. If you live in tools like Word, Notion, email, or code editors, this fits perfectly. Let's talk pros and cons. Pros: works inside any app. One-hotkey AI access, supports local AI models. Cons: tokens are device-based, slight learning curve at first. Here's a quick breakdown. License Tier 1, $69, one device, 2M monthly, AI tokens, 50 custom smart prompts. License Tier 2, $149, 3 devices, 6M monthly, AI tokens, 150 custom smart prompts. License Tier 3, $339, 10 devices, 20M monthly, AI tokens, automations plus AI training. License Tier 4, $589, 20 devices, 40M monthly, AI tokens, advanced automations and training. Important: tokens are per device, not shared across devices. And with a 60-day refund policy, it's low risk to try. Yes, especially on AppSumo. Triplo AI isn't just another ChatGPT wrapper. It's a workflow tool that removes friction and keeps AI exactly where you work. If you want faster writing, less context switching, more control over AI, a true desktop plus mobile assistant. This lifetime deal is one of the stronger productivity buys on AppSumo right now. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.